adjust that on the side.
If you want to mute it. Rotate.
Oh. Yeah, phone. Yeah, I'm gonna get it on the phone. Tell them we're live.
Oh. Good evening, kings and queens. Good evening. Happy Wednesday. Oh, you have to. Oh.
We head out to the phone. We can't have a
What
radio
time
on
does?
phone, you know.
Okay, so now pin it.
There it is. What a guan. Happy Wednesday. Come on in, my beautiful people. Step right in. The water is troubled, my friends. Step right in. God Almighty power is moving every hour. Yeah, that them used to sing one time, them baptized people, you understand? Step right in. The water is troubled, my friends. Step right in. Good evening, Deanna McLean.
Can't see.
Yes, you may see. Well,
Miss
Sandy
Sandy
K,
K.
what a good Karen
Where?
Blake. Big up yourself. Well, that's the way I come back from foreign. Yes, man, we come back from
Reach.
foreign. We're rich. We got foreign and come back.
Myrna.
What a guan.
Big up.
What a guan. Let me see. I can't see so far, so I have to look here, so you understand?
Phaedra.
Me blind.
Virginia.
Michelle Blair.
Cheryl, good
Monique.
evening. Good evening.
Mackenzie, what a guan. How you guys doing out there?
Daisy. Good evening. Big up
Daisy,
yourself.
Marcia Grant. Good night.
evening.
Kingston 13.
Blessings right back to you, Queen.
Blessings right back to you. Big up your nice, clean self. What a guan, Queen. Yes. We're there. Monique, yes. Mr. Monique, Diana. So, yes. So we're there back in the place. And we come as chocolate and vanilla Claus tonight. Yeah, we come as chocolate and vanilla Claus tonight. So we have some only things to go over tonight, yes? We do?
We do.
First and foremost, big up the Planka boss. Thank you so much, Auntie, for having us.
Yes, Auntie Donna, thank you so much for having us. Thank you for your hospitality.
Thank you, Miss Paula. Big up yourself.
Yes,
Miss
thank
Paula,
you,
thank you so much. Thank you for your warm embrace and thank you for keeping our secrets.
Yes, thank you for keeping our secret.
Much appreciated. Yes, thank you to all the Plankas for all the love over there in the Planka shop.
Yes.
Yes. And thanks to my kings and queens for coming over. Yes. And show with some love in the Planka shop. Yes, man. It was an awesome. I can't stress enough.
We had a good time.
We went before. It's not our first time.
It wasn't. No.
And both times are awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, man. It's always a pleasure seeing the queen. You know what I mean? Seeing the Planka boss. Always a pleasure. just to express how I feel. You know, it's not the same doing it online as it is in person. Sure. Because somebody can look in your eyes and see the windows to your soul and know, say, the love is real. Yes, man. Yes. Auntie, try to get me drunk, you know. Power with a sorry beer. With a sorry beer, you know. Yeah. Auntie, try to get me drunk, you know. But hold it, you know.
Hold it like a G.
Yeah, man. And let me tell you, the cakes are delicious. Delicious. Oh. Me can't think about the coconut cake.
I know say the coconut was your favorite. I should love the Java.
Yeah, I should try to forget with Java because she give away rum. Bring rum. Yes. J, Ray, and him nephew. She give away J, Ray, and him nephew. Yes. To carry home. Big up yourself, my sister.
Big up, auntie. Big up.
Yes, man.
We love you. We love
Sometimes
you.
Every time I go auntie. Well, I only 2 times now. But every time I see this lady, I always think, why? I can't fathom why people don't like her.
I can't
get it.
And you know, I told her, I said, you know, auntie, seeing you in person is like I've known you forever.
Me just can't fathom, me just can't see people. Trust me, me just cannot see it.
She has a heart of gold, man.
She's just such a lovable person. When we leave, and to walk with to the vehicle, right? And to turn up in the road, you know, and wallow, you know, and pray out there, you know,
pray for we.
Pray out there, up our vice. Yes, man. She wallow out there and pray for we. Some people
and warn the driver, say take care of we. Yes, she did.
Yes, after we left with driver out there and he fall asleep in the truck, you know. We call it truck, the SUV. Him fall asleep out there, so Coco and auntie laugh off of it. Or we left with driver so long till him fall asleep in the vehicle out there and wait pan way. But I was just so blown away because you know how you see some people come online and them portray, so them love God and all of that. It was just so natural.
It was.
For her. She said, we're leaving, she walk away and said, come here.
Yes.
And she walk away and pray for we. Yeah, man. Help we put all the stuff in the back of the truck. You know what I'm saying? And it was just so beautiful. Just like a sister, a real life sister would, you know? And that just motivates me to continue to straighten my queen's crown. You know what I'm saying? Because we can easily get distracted by the hate and the jealousy out there. But there are amazing women on social media that we have met. Let me tell you, amazing women. That's why I will never be convinced that it will away bad mind, that it will away envious, the will away you know, don't have no loyalty. I will never be convinced of that because I've met some great people on social media and to being one of them.
Very, very true. Yes.
You know, big up to all the queens that we've met. Not our first time going to Jamaica and meeting up with people, our supporters. It's just that I always considered people's privacy. And when we went before, we never had the chance to ask the other queens that we got with if we could post. And we don't we don't take it upon ourselves to do that. As a matter of fact, the queens that we were with told us it was okay to post them because we always try to consider people and their privacy, not because we are on social media mean that everyone wants to be on social media. You understand? So big up on yourself, queens. Gillette, big up yourself. We've met Diana in real life before. Karen, yes. Nationa, big up yourself. You know, Jennifer Gooden, big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Ardette, big up yourself. Queen, thank you guys for loving us.
Anicia.
To all the people that we've met off of social media, whether it's in Canada or Jamaica or here in the United States, because believe me guys, we have gone into stores here in Georgia and people was like chocolate and vanilla, and we were like shocked, like what?
Right.
You know. So when we went to Golden Cross here, the staff in there, they were like chocolate.
We're going
and
to a
vanilla.
farmer's market here.
Yeah, farmer's market. We didn't know that there were so many people that really watches us. And in the airport, from we landed in Jamaica, and it's both times.
Yes.
From we land in the airport, you know, and we cherish those moments and we keep them sacred. We don't have to come out here and brag about it.
No.
You know, we're just humbled that people admire us and love us, and we appreciate it so much. We take none of it for granted. We don't think we're celebrities or we're anything like that. We're just chocolate and vanilla doing something that we love to do.
Yeah.
And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so very much. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Even the ones that we have never met, you guys here watching us each and every time you see that live. You come on.
Yes.
I just want to say thank you. And we have some great plans in store for next year, and we're very humbled and we're excited. Yes. And we can't wait to share more of us with you guys. You know, Master Baker, I will never get rid of Master Baker. She has her own fans, you know, and Master Baker want to tell you guys thank you. Thank you. Thank you for loving Master Baker and our madness. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. We just want to tell you guys, because so often we you know, we don't take the time out to say thank you, but it's the supporters that makes us who we are. Because we couldn't just sit here and talk to ourselves. Yes. You understand? And
Stacey
Campbell, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, Queen.
Queen, big up yourself. We love you. Mwah. I was so mad we didn't get to, when we come off a live, a planker shop, remember, say, we have to big up Stacey Campbell, but the live was already on me. I said to Auntie, we forget to big up Stacey. Big up yourself, Stacey. Big up yourself, yes. Thank you, each and every one of you, even the haters that hate on us for no apparent reason and come at us and curse us out. We want to tell you thank you, because people watch you guys talk about us, and they come over to see who we are, and they get addicted to us.
And realize the lies that you're telling on us.
The lies that you've told on us, and see us in a different light than you portray, you know, than you paint us to be. We want to say thank you.
Thank you.
We want to say thank you for that. You understand? Yes, God bless you guys.
All the platform holders.
All the platform holders that has ever shared us, that has ever came over on our platform. We want to say thank you. Thank you for being a part of us prior to 2023 and you in 2023. We appreciate you guys, and into 2024. We appreciate you guys, and we may not always see your comments, especially when we're acting Master Baker. We can't read comments. So don't ever think we're trying to ignore you. We don't do that.
Purpose,
Not on purpose. Sometimes your comment will fly past we, and then when we get off a live, we see that you were on here. Shaza B was on here. Oh my God, you know. But we try to make an effort to love your comment. You understand? And I hope you will just accept that as recognition, and that we see you and we thank you,
and we appreciate you
for come visiting us. Yes, big up on ourselves. Big up on ourselves.
Big up.
Yes, kings and queens.
Enough love and respect to you.
Enough love and respect to you guys. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Big up my country, Jamaica. I love you. I love you. I love you. Love you every time I go there. I can never get enough. I love you with all your faults and everything. I'm a proud Jamaican, and I will always be a proud Jamaican. And whatever I can do for my people, the people in my country, no matter how small it is, just know it's coming from a place of love. And I love you. I love you, Jamaica, the land of my birth. Yes, big up on yourself. Yes, I wish I could do for everybody in Jamaica, but I do what I can because I love you guys. Yes, big up on yourself. Yes. So, my kings and queens. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I love Jamaica. Yes.
Yeah. All right, kings and queens. So tonight we have some giveaways. We have 4 of Auntie Donna's Cheap and Clean to give away in Jamaica. We have some calendar from Auntie that we're going to give away tonight, preferably to people in the United States. Yes, we have it with her. And we have it with her and the Planka Grandma, Miss Richie. Have them right here, 2024 calendars to give away.
We have 4 calendars.
4 of them. We have a cake from Majesty to give away tonight. We have 2 fruit punch.
Rum punch.
Rum punch. I'm always saying fruit punch.
I know.
I have 2 rum punch from Miss Lothian's kitchen to give away tonight. Did I say Rose Kitchen already?
No.
We have Rose Kitchen on the agenda tonight. Yes, my kings and my queens.
We have a lot.
Yes. So
we do want to say that the 6 cakes that we had, the cheap and clean cakes that we had for Auntie Donna, have been shipped via Knucksford Express.
Yes, I think she sent them out today.
I believe they've been
the
sent
first
yes.
set. I have to double check with her. I'm not sure if she said today or tomorrow. But those cakes are now available for shipping. We picked all of those up from Auntie.
Yes, we picked them up
when we
from
went to the
Auntie.
Planka
Yes,
shop. That's why we told you guys they wouldn't be ready until after the 17th, right? That was the reason. We just couldn't. We didn't want to bust the secret. You understand? We want to sneak up at the Planka shop, right?
Yep.
Yes. So I don't know where to start, but I'm gonna start. All right. So we're gonna start with what? Rose Kitchen. So if you're in Canada tonight,
Canada only.
Yes,
for this one
because it's so close to Christmas, right, guys? And we
want to make sure
we just
you
didn't
get it
have
for the holidays.
we want to make sure you get it for the holidays. We just didn't have the time. We had, you know, the Jamaica trip coming up. We were doing all this stuff for our business because it's the Christmas time and we're very busy. Right now, I didn't even put up a Christmas tree because I'm getting ready to leave again. You understand? This time it's with my husband, my family.
Yes.
So, you know.
We're going away on a couple's trip.
Yes. So this time it's with my husband. So I'm trying to put all these things, do all these things at once.
Trying to do as much as we can.
So, I'm trying to do the best that I can. Let's just put it. So you'll get your stuff for Christmas, right?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to start off with Rose Kitchen. So if you would like a cake or a dessert, whatever it is you see on Rose's menu, and you would like to try something, you can call in tonight. We have 2 balls here. We have number 9 and number 10. So the winning ball is number 9. So it's a 50-50 chance tonight to win something from Rose Kitchen and Vlog. All right? We're trying to support as many people as we can. We've already done the ones with we've done Opal. We've done Dimes. And we've done Jamra Goodies.
Yep.
Yes, we've done those 3 already. So we're moving on tonight. It's Rose Kitchen and Vlog. The number is pinned at the bottom. Just go ahead, call in. If you're in Canada and you would like to get something from Rose Kitchen, one of her goodies, Just call in and take a chance. We're not... All right, we have a caller. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Hello.
I'd like to participate.
Are you in
Okay,
Canada?
you're in Canada?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Which
Good
ball
luck.
would you like?
And
Well,
number
oh,
nine.
so it's number 9. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I'm getting confused with the cage of credit. All right.
Number 9.
Number 9.
First
Who are we?
caller,
First
lucky.
caller, you're lucky. Who are we speaking to?
Anne-Marie.
Anne-Marie. Congratulations, Anne-Marie. Go ahead and text us your name and text us what exactly you would like from Rose Kitchen. We will make the arrangement for you, all right? And reach out to get your information.
Congratulations, Queen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Good night. So Rose Kitchen is taken. All right, we're going to move right along. What are we doing next, Vanilla?
We are doing Miss Lothian's rum punch.
All right, so if you would like to try 2 bottles of Miss Lothian's rum punch, you're calling in hopes of getting number 9. Number 9 is that winning ball tonight.
Yes.
All right? So if you would like to get 2 bottles of rum punch from Miss Lothian's kitchen, courtesy of chocolate and vanilla, call in and take your chances tonight. Preferably the United States, because she's doing her big shipment tomorrow. All right, let's go. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Hello. Are you in the United States?
Yes, I am.
All right, we're
good
spinning
luck.
for number 9. Let's go.
Yes.
Oh, number 10.
Number 10. Sorry, number 10. Hello, good night. Hello.
Good night.
You're calling for Miss Lothian's rum punch.
Yes.
And
All
you're
right.
in the U.S.?
Yes, I'm in the U.S.
All right,
good
we're
luck.
spinning for number 9. Let's go.
Woo, that one came out fast. Number 9.
Number 9, who am I speaking to?
Ooh, Odessa talk.
Odessa. Congratulations, Odessa.
Thank you.
Go ahead and text us your name.
Congratulations.
All right, and we will reach out to you for the rest of your information. All right?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
All right, congrats.
Congrats.
Thank you.
All right.
That was quick.
We have some winners up in here tonight.
Yes.
Going fast. Now, it's on to Your Majesty fruitcake. That's all Miss Lothian has in stock for Majesty is his fruitcake. All right? So it's a Your Majesty fruitcake for someone in the United States. Let's go. Hello, good night. Turn us down in the background or we're gonna disconnect you. Who are we speaking to? Good night.
You're speaking to Patricia. Good night.
All
Good
right,
night.
good night, Patricia.
And you're in the United States, Patricia.
Yes.
All
All
right.
right.
We're spinning for number 9. Let's go.
Ooh, number 10.
Number 10. Sorry, Queen. I gotta move on. Hello, good night. This is a Jamaica number. And it's trying to connect. United States, please, for Majesty Cakes. For Your Majesty Cake, it's gotta be the United States. Let's go. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Turn us
In the
down.
background.
Good night.
Good night.
Good
Are you
night.
in the U.S.?
Yes.
All right. We're going to spin for Your Majesty Cake. You're waiting for number 9. All right, let's go.
Number 9.
Number 9. Who's this?
Jurian.
Drian. Congratulations.
Jurian. Jurian.
Jurian. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're
Congratulations.
welcome. Go ahead and text us your name, please.
Sure.
And we're going to reach out to you to get your information. Just to make sure it's you, all right?
No problem. Sure.
All right,
All right,
congrats.
congratulations.
All right, moving right along. All right, we're going to do the calendar because I know. All right, Majesty Cakes.
Gone.
Majesty Cake is gone. So whomever is calling Majesty Cake is gone. All right, guys. So we're going to move on to the calendar. If you're in the United States, you would like one of my auntie's calendar for 2024, go ahead and call right now. If you're already a winner, please give somebody else a chance. We gotta be kind and share, all right? Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night, chocolate and vanilla.
Good night. And who are you calling for?
I'm calling for Her Majesty.
Majesty's already gone, Queen.
Oh,
Yeah, sorry.
That was gone.
It's gone, all right?
okay, good night.
Good night. All right. If you're calling now, it's for a calendar. All right? Hello, good night. Hello,
Good night.
good
Hello,
night.
good night.
And what are you calling? I'm good. How are
We're
you?
good, we're good.
I'm doing great.
That's good.
And
How are
which-
you guys?
We're good.
We're good.
And you're calling for?
I'm calling for one of the cakes. I'm in the US.
One of the
the
cake.
cakes
The
are
cakes are gone.
We have
All right.
Lothian calendars now.
The only
We have
thing
to
we
try
have
that.
left for from the Planka shop are the calendars, all right? The cakes are gone. All right, King. Okay, we only have the calendars from the Planka shop. We're going to do Jamaica with the cheap and clean cakes.
Yes.
We have 4 of them for Jamaica. All right? Me know that to know how we had pan. Boy, me should have just take up the whole beer cricket up here. Hey? Watch
Right.
them, watch them, watch them. All right, let's go. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
And you calling for one of the cheap and clean cake? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, you're calling for?
I'm calling for accidental cheap and clean cake.
Of
Oh.
course I knew that.
Let
I
us
saw
not
the
that
87. I saw the 876 number. Let's go. Let's get into
All right.
it. All right, you need number 9.
Number 10.
Number 10, please try again. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Yes, I'm calling for the accidental cake.
Are you in Jamaica? You're in Jamaica?
Yes.
All right,
right.
you need number 9.
Number 10.
Number 10, please try again. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
All right, you from Jamaica?
Yes, I am.
And you want one of them cheap and clean cake, huh?
Definitely.
All right, make we spin the thing now and see how it go. Number 9, y'all look for.
Number 10.
Number 10, please try again. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. All right, you're calling for the cheap and clean cake.
Yes.
All right, you need number 9.
Number 10.
Number 10, please try again. 1, 2, no, not so bad lucky. Hello, good night. Hel-
Good
All
night.
right, you're calling for the cheap and clean.
Yeah.
All right, number 9. You need number 9. Yes.
Number 10.
Number 10, please try again. Hello, good night. All right, we're going to spin for you.
Hello.
Number 9.
Who is it? What's your name? What is your name?
Anisha.
Anisha. You going to share a cheap and clean cake? Or you going to be selfish with it?
No, but me have to share.
You lie, you're gonna name off the whole of it. From here, you call back. You're not left your phone. You just a press a go along, so. You think me know so long time you want one where you blow up your phone. Lord of mercy. So go ahead and text me your name, right? And put cheap and clean, all right?
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
You're welcome.
Oh no, come man. Hello, good night. Me answer you where you there. Oh, hello, good night. That they call the lick out, that they call there.
Yeah,
hello, good night. A piece of fighting I go on the phone here. Hello, you win the war. You want a planka cake?
Yeah, cheap and clean.
Cheap and clean, you say, alright, we'll roll for the cheap and clean. Number 9 you need.
Ooh, you're lucky. Number 9.
Number 9, who this? You never broke out a galang for cheap and clean.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, who is this?
Thank you.
Who is it? Say your name for me.
Shanice Brown.
Shanice Brown. Alright, Shanice Brown. Text me your name. Alright, and put cheap and clean.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on, if you wanna blow up. If you wanna blow up, right up. Right up. Wagwan. Call a lick out, call. No man. Them people are dangerous. No sir. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Alright. We're gonna spin. You need number 9.
Yes.
I wish me could have get some more cake, auntie. Trust me.
Number 9.
Number 9, who's this?
Patricia.
Patricia, you're lucky, man. Every time sit like you over here, you win.
You're lucky,
sir.
bud. We need some of your luck.
Alright, go ahead and text with your name and put cheap and clean. Alright, congrats.
Alright, yeah, man, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, good night. Yes.
Good night.
Alright, so you want, you're, alright, who's this? Lamik, the number you not call before. Let me see the number. The number
She
that
no
win?
win.
Oh,
No.
she never win. Okay, me I watch you know like an arc. Because me know no we call from different number. Hello, good night. Your neighbor, you want one eye cake? You there, Jamaica? Alright. Well, you want number 9. Alright, we'll spin for number 9.
Number 10.
Number 10, please try again. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
You want one of the cheap and clean?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll spin for number 9.
Number 9.
Who am I speaking to?
Patricia.
Patricia. You there, Jamaica, Patricia?
Yeah, Jamaica.
Alright. Alright, Patricia, congratulations. Text me your name and put cheap and clean, you hear?
Okay.
Alright. How much more we have? Then done?
The cheap and clean done are just the calendars we have left.
Cheap and clean done. This was fun, man. We need like 20 more.
For real.
Jesus
For real.
Christ. No, sir. Guys, that's it for the cheap and clean cake, them.
Cheap
So,
and clean.
so if you want a calendar, we're not spin no more ball.
No.
Just be the first. Just call away and tell where you want a calendar. Alright, 4 people. If you want a Planka Boss calendar, just call.
For 2024.
For 2024 and say you want one. Gotta be in the United States. We done all our shipments them out of the country. Yes, and we can't do no shipments right now. So, tomorrow, the peanut slippers them decide for your show.
Yeah.
Yeah, after we do all our shipping them.
Yeah.
So we have to go give you guys them for the new in the new year.
Yeah.
It's that simple. We just not have the time for do all of that right now. Hello, good night. Jamaica, the cake done. The cake done for you.
Sorry, the cake done.
The cake done. Cake done.
Any
No credit no there, no cake no there. We can't do credit. You know some broke on no bad. No call no one credit. Credits are for one different night. Oh, no too damn while. Hello, good night. Hello.
Uh-oh. Hold on.
Oh, you get back to it.
Not trying to get back. Hold on.
They must storm my phone, people. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Hello. We out of cake. The only thing we have a calendar.
Are you in the U.S.?
No, Canada.
Oh.
You want one anti-calendar?
No, I need cake.
Oh, everybody need cake.
Everybody want cake.
Go downstairs, see cake, but we have a piece in front of them. Everybody want cake. What I think we have a bakery over here? The only cake left over here, a master baker cake. You don't want a piece of master baker cake? Huh? Sorry, Queen, it done. You hear? It done.
Okay.
Alright. Auntie, if you know nobody will come up send me some cake. They will kill me for your cake them tonight. Hello, good night.
Hello?
Oh, me should have used the KILL word on Facebook. Now they will report me. Me done say it already. Hello? How you doing?
Hello?
Yes,
I'm good.
you're calling for?
The calendar?
Oh, the calendar. Okay, no problem. Which one would you like?
Any one of Auntie Donna's calendar.
Okay, we have the one with her and Miss Richie, and we have the one with just her. So anyone?
Oh, with just her.
With just her. Alright, afraid, because Miss Richie pass on, you're afraid of Duppy? Miss Richie now come bother you. Miss Richie a loving kind woman. I don't be afraid about you. Afraid when you end up in that house. Miss Richie I gonna come visit you. You think me not know about no one with just auntie. Alright, we said here one with just auntie. Go ahead and text us your name.
Queen?
Okay, any cakes given away also?
The cake them done. Them bum rush me for the cake them man. The cake them gone. Gone.
What's your name, Queen?
Just text me your name and put calendar next to it. You hear?
Okay, good.
Alright,
Okay.
alright. We have 3 more of the calendar left. Wanna take one with Miss Richie? Wanna too superstitious? You man now condone nothing for not hang up Miss Richie in her house. Wanna too bad. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello.
Hello, good.
Good night.
Good night.
Chocolate and vanilla?
Yes.
I need one of the calendar.
You need one of the, where are you, Queen?
In Brooklyn.
Alright, you want the one with she and Miss Richie or just Auntie alone?
Yes, she and Miss Richie.
Oh, you're a brave one. You're not afraid of no duppy. That's right. Well, Miss Richie, I love it and kind duppy. She not doing nothing.
Miss Richie.
Yes, of course. What's your name, Queen?
Faith.
Faith. Yes, Faith. Text us your name and put calendar next to it. Here we're going to reach out to you.
Congratulations, Queen.
Yeah, thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
Faith.
Faith, she's brave. You understand? She don't watch nothing. You understand? Yeah, she don't like me. If me go put up Miss Richie and Auntie when me there, me swear Miss Richie I look at me. Lord of mercy. Me have to go walk around in the house with the Bible. Yes. Well, we have 2 more calendar left. You understand? Yeah, me always hear sound when me there by myself. This a house, yeah. And now me gonna hear extra sound. Me want chocolate. Me want.
But will come over me and somebody bowl.
No, Shaka says she want when sit there. Eat chocolate name. Yes. Me. No, Auntie alone.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
Good night, chocolate and vanilla.
Good night. Yo,
Oh,
you
no,
call.
win already.
No, you call her win sit now. And you call her change up your voice.
I don't me, I'm your husband.
Oh, so what you want now?
I want the calendar, I want Miss Dana.
So what do you want with Miss Richie?
Miss Richie, I go walk all over me house.
Hey, wait a minute. Miss Richie on the walk boat.
Exactly.
You know walk boat. You see Miss Richie walk boat though? And I'm one know.
Me can't bother with you know.
Eh?
Me cannot bother with you.
You see Miss Richie walk boat? Eh?
All right, what's your name, Queen?
Rose, R-O-S-E, Rose Thomas.
All right, Rose. Just text us, Rose, and put next to your name, calendar. All right?
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. And make sure you just put the one with Auntie.
I did that.
Yeah, do that. All right, because if we ever send them a one with Miss Richie, all Ella go broke loose them out.
They're
Talk
going
we send Duffy over there.
Yes.
No,
that happened.
We have one left.
One left.
We don't take it or left it. And with she and Miss Richie.
You need to be brave, man.
We don't get up and talk about Planka grandma. And no.
Now you get an opportunity to have a picture of
with
Auntie
Planka
and Planka grandma.
grandma.
And now you don't want it. You don't run scared. What kind of sitting that?
Nice,
Oh, no,
sweet
you love
Miss.
Planka granny.
Nice, sweet Miss Richie. Miss
You
Richie
don't
just,
harm nobody.
Miss Richie just go lay down there.
Yes.
You understand me? All you have to do is make sure you get some chocolate.
Yes, give her no chocolate.
If I said
You
all
good, man.
will be well.
Yes,
all
just
will be well.
leave some chocolate out for Miss Richie.
Yes, some
good,
Ferrero
man.
Russia.
Rochelle.
Well,
Yes.
Yes, Rochelle.
Right.
Look, Miss Richie. On a better call for Miss Richie. Me and Uno tonight. Me and Uno. I walk call. They not call. I text them. I
Everybody
text.
free.
We have Miss Richie over here going once. Going twice. Let me see people them for the live. Let me tell Miss Richie their name so she can go visit them. All of them when they want.
Them over to your
Yeah,
yard.
where they say, Velma Gill, Miss Richie. Go over there. Rosalind, Miss Richie. Pat Mullins, Miss Richie. I want you to go over there go visit. They don't want to take
Bo.
a picture.
Bo.
Yeah,
Boy,
okay.
I try for one.
Bo. All right. Yes. Anne-Marie Ferguson, Miss Richie. She don't want your picture, but she over Planka shop and talk about she love you. Yes, Miss Richie. Sabrina, Miss Richie. Go over there right now, Miss Richie. Go for them. Yes, we call out to them.
Thomas.
Rose Thomas. Miss Richie, she like comment and laugh. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. Hyacinth. Be a laugh with Miss Richie. Yes, them one of them they over Planka shop. Oh, grandma. I don't know why I take on the grandma. Or the take on the grandma that got answer, no? Or the terrible. Come, take Miss Richie. Yeah, somebody a call. Hello, good night. Hello.
You change your mind?
You change your mind?
You want the one with Planka granny?
We're not here now. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Can I have the calendar of Miss Richie, please?
Of course you can. You have a friend. Yeah. Miss Richie, I hope you go up in there, up in our house, and bring the sunshine. All right.
Bring nothing but love.
Nothing but love, Miss Richie.
Love.
Who am I speaking to?
Claudette.
Claudette and Miss Richie will get along. She sounds so nice. Yes, Claudette sounds so nice and humble. Yes, man.
Yes, Claudette.
Claudette, go ahead and text us your name.
You guys are doing a good job. Thank you so much.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome,
Thank
Claudette.
you.
Go ahead and text us your name and put calendar next to it. All right, Claudette?
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She and Miss Richie gonna get along fine. Sweet lady. You
Yes.
can't hear it in her voice.
Yes, man.
Miss Richie and I are gonna get along really, really well. You understand? She sounds like she have a chocolate put on for Miss Richie and everything like that. Yeah, see? Was that hard? No, it wasn't. Claudette, you're brave.
Proud of you, Claudette.
Proud of you.
Nothing for be scared
Nice
of.
calendar. You understand?
Nothing to be scared
We
of.
laugh off like a chicken them pan alive. when they want to take Miss Richie. Very sweet lady. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. They got tell Auntie Panny Walla on. Mm-hmm. Wait. Mm-hmm. Think me not see you over here? Me I tell Auntie. Say no. Free to take Miss Richie.
Somebody say they want Master Baker cake.
They want Master Baker cake?
Yeah.
Oh. We have another cake. Jamaica it there.
Mm-hmm.
It's from Auntie Jen. Who remember Auntie Jen's from last year? Huh? We have an Auntie Jen cake that we're here eating right now. Yes? Me don't want to get too bad man and bust out the planka bars cake. You understand? Mm-hmm. But Auntie Jen cake is delicious as well. Mm-hmm. Persons can tell you who won it last year. She is the bomb as well. Mm-hmm. Look on that. Mm-hmm. So we have another cake in Jamaica from Auntie Jen. And this one is going to require the number 9 from the cage. What blow up my phone? I when I done talk yet. Huh? Let me hear what I want. Hello, good night.
Good night, God, for the Jamaican cake.
Mm-hmm. From Auntie Jen.
Hello?
From Auntie Jen. Is it the Jamaican cake from Auntie? Because Auntie Planka Boss cakes them done.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, no more cheap and clean. You hear?
Okay.
One other cake we have, and it's from Auntie Jen in Jamaica.
Okay. I don't know the person.
Her cakes are delicious.
Our cakes are good.
So if you want to try for it, you can.
Which era is she?
She's in Montego Bay. She would ship it to you on the Knoxford Express.
Okay, I will take it.
All right, we're going to spin.
You have to get lucky.
You have to get lucky to get it. We're not just going to give away Auntie Jen cake. We know what we have. Sit down right there, so.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, good luck.
All right, let's go. Come on, number 9. Come on, number 9.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Try
Try
back,
again. Try again.
Again.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
I'm calling back for Auntie Jem cake.
All right, let's spin. Number 9.
Okay.
Number 10.
Number 10, please try again. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
You trying for Auntie Jen's cake?
Sure.
All right.
Good
You
luck.
need number 9.
Number 9.
Number 9, who is this?
Nationa.
Nationa! Congratulations, Nationa.
Big up on yourself.
Big up yourself.
Queen.
All right, you know what to do. Huh? You know what to do.
Love and appreciation.
All right,
Love you
enough
too,
love and
Queen.
appreciation to you too, Queen. Thank you so much.
Thank
all
you
right?
so much.
All right. Auntie Jen cake gone, man. Well, we don't want done with tonight, so we can't come back with nothing more. We not give everything out of our basket tonight. You hear? All right. So we have to end it right here. And have to give it time to come back. We'll come back really quick. All right. Bless upon yourself. Thank you guys for
Thank you
watching
guys
us
for
tonight.
watching us tonight.
It was a pleasure. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Hope you guys enjoy the show tonight. Yes. And enjoy vanilla and chocolate Claus. Thank you guys so much. If you didn't win tonight, please come back and try again, all right? There were so many phone calls. We have limited amount of cakes. I know everybody wanted a cake, but we couldn't give away all cakes. What we get? Yeah, so we'll come again, all right?
Yes.
We'll come back.
Yes.
God bless you guys.
Thank you guys for
all.
joining us. We appreciate you.
We appreciate you guys. All right. Big up on yourself.
And again, congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations. Bless upon yourself.
Thank you
Here.
for joining us.
Althea. Good night.
Althea.
Maureen. Vivian Brown. Bless up yourself. Natasha Barnes. Big up yourself.
Patricia.
Big up yourself.
Steve.
Big up yourself.
Love and respect.
Lady Alicia and it run gone. Big up yourself. Sandy K. And Booth. The giveaway done. Them all call till all 1 o'clock in the morning, you know, when people go on and think we're live. Alright, can't do have to eat, just finish all of auntie. You finish all of auntie cake? May I tell you so we rub the cake, let me know. Me don't know if we're gonna have no cake for Christmas, you know, people. Me don't know. We're not gonna have no cake for Christmas. No, sir. We rub a dubby cake then. Remember me tell you? We have to jog after Christmas. Alright, guys. Have a blessed night. Take care. Love you guys.
Take care of yourself.
And as always, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Yes.
We will arrange how we're going to give away the peanut or bubble slippers, however you call them. Alright? And do that at a later date. We can't do everything we wanted to do this Christmas season. Last year we had way more time.
We had more time, yeah.
We had more time.
Yeah.
This year not so much. So, yes, charge it to our heads and not our hearts. All right? Love you guys. Good night.
Love you guys. Take care.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Good night.